here is a beautiful 16-inch lace wig, and as gorgeous as she is, I feel like I want to put her in a category of a bob. And it's such a rich brown, and it also has some highlights. Ladies, let's jump right into it. Today we're going with a dark brown highlight wig. I'm gonna go ahead and anchor the wig on with the elastic band, put the back of the wig on and then the front, and this is what she looks like on. As you guys can see, the highlights pop and they look so amazing. Very much a nice our gorgeous girl here. Now I love this cut on this one. Of course we love a good bob, like a traditional bob, but this one gives like neat, clean, and sleek, even though we have such a nice beautiful pop of highlight.